What do you find in the Quran? Anyway, you don't have to show me the reference.
Gotcha.
But something somewhere that tells you women and men are intrinsically equal in value. According to this book, women are sex objects. They are like irrigable land. Men go into them and
like,
irrigate as per their own wish.
Irrigate.
Men decide. Women are merely, passively available to be irrigated. Is that respecting to the women? Prepubescent girls are old enough not even to have sexual intercourse, but to have sexual intercourse and to divorce them after that. Do you agree with this? Is this respecting women?
Not at all.
Would you want to have sexual intercourse with prepubescent girls?
Are you really going to ask me that?
Well, clearly you've been reading this book for too long, haven't you?
For 32 years.
Yeah, so you have read that. I'm asking you what you have read from your book. Now you're Muslim, sir. You are. Please come here, sir. Please come and explain. There was a gentleman who was trying to help us earlier. You are the second gentleman to help.
Gotcha.
How long have you been reading the Quran, sir?
Since I was born.
How long?
31 years, 32 years and 3 days. 2 days, sorry, 2 days.
32 years
In 3 days.
and 3 days.
2
Now,
days, 2 days, I keep forgetting.
2 days. Now we know your date of birth. Okay. Anyway, happy birthday to you.
Thank you,
That's good.
appreciate
Lovely.
you.
Now, so you've been reading this for Muslim.
Gotcha.
Here, you have been reading this for a long time.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm going to try with the first one. We'll spend a few minutes on this. How did from this book that helps us understand that women and men are intrinsically equal in value?
You're putting me on the spot here. I don't have this whole thing memorized. I live by it. That's the
Yeah,
thing.
you live by it, which is much better. He lives
Yeah.
by it, so he knows much better. At least he's not memorizing. That's really good. Now that he has lived,
I'd love to be a Hafiz. I'm trying to.
now
I'm maybe
he's even a
8
Hafiz.
verses into Al-Baqarah. I'm trying to get the first 10. You know what I mean? That's what I'm trying to do.
Now that he is even trying to be a Hafiz, but more importantly, he is living, note carefully, living by this book for 32 years and 2 days. 3 days, 2 days, 3 days, 2 days. He would know it inside out right now. So please help us understand. What do you find in the Quran? Anyway, you don't have to show me the reference.
Gotcha.
But something somewhere that tells you in Islam, according to this Quran,
I got you.
I don't need mythical ideas.
Gotcha.
According to the Quran, women and men are intrinsically equal in value.
I wish I could show you that because I don't think, I don't want you guys to get me wrong here. I believe men and women are different. You know what I mean? Biologically.
I understand. You and I are different. You and I are different. We're not the same, are we?
Yeah.
Clearly, we are different
Yeah.
in many, many ways. Likewise, men and women, of course, clearly are different. No one is asking if men and women are completely equal. I'm only asking if they are intrinsically equal according to this book. Equal in value, please. Intrinsically.
I would agree. Again, you would have to show me if
Okay,
you,
sure.
Gotcha.
In other words, you are struggling. That's good. 32 years waste of time. Now let me give you some examples. Now at least you're humble. That's good. At least you're still smiling. That's good. Now please ask me, sir. Now let me tell you a few things. Yeah, you tell me if the points that I'm going to make right now in a rapid fire manner. Tell me if if these points actually give value to women. For example, according to this book, women are sex objects. They are like irrigable land. Men go into them and
like,
irrigate as per their own wish.
Irrigate.
Men decide. Women are merely, passively available to be irrigated. Is that respecting to the women?
I mean, no. I see women almost like a flower. You know what I mean? Something you have
I know
to
you see that.
feed
I'm
and
trying to find out what the
cultivate.
Quran says, not what you think.
If they
You
said-
may think, where are you
could-
from?
You could show
Where
me.
are you from, sir?
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan. You shouldn't be a Muslim, sir. And what I'm saying right now, 10 points you should leave Islam and come to, because you think women are to be like flowers,
Yeah.
not irrigable land, and
Can you
the
show me
Quran.
where in the Quran it says women are sex objects that need to be irrigated?
If I did show, what would you do?
I would have to disagree with that.
Good.
Or I would need to find.
Fine. That's good. So when we find that, the gentleman here would disagree with that.
Yes.
Let me 1 second. I need to find Surah 2. Surah 2, that much I remember. I just need to find out the exact ayah. Yeah.
Man,
Just
you
give me,
can plow.
just give me 1 second.
What's
Just
the
1
surah?
second. Let me find out quickly. Once.
ChatGPT, you're not asking the Quran.
No, my notes. Check this out.
Yes, sir.
Can you see? Only 3 years of reading the Quran.
That's not the Quran.
Excuse me,
It's
sir.
not the coming takeover or something about Islam. That's not the
Yeah,
Quran.
that's a book that I'm writing right now.
You're an author.
I am. 32 years and not having a clue versus 3 years and having much clue is much better. Yeah, what do you think? My dear friend, what do you think?
I'm still waiting. Sir.
Yeah, please.
Moral problems.
Yeah,
Treatment of
women.
polygamy.
Yeah, please. So, 2223. Surah 2, Ayah 223. Or 222 maybe, that's where it starts. Let's see. Surah 2, Ayah 223.
Got you. You want me
Check
to read
this
it?
out.
You want me to
Yeah,
read it?
please.
Got you. Please. And they ask you about menstruation.
223, son.
Oh, 223. I'm sorry about that. Your wives are a place of cultivation, i.e. sowing of seed for you. So come to your place of cultivation however you wish and put forth righteousness for yourselves and fear Allah and know that you will meet Him and
see?
give good tidings to the believers. Yeah.
Yeah, what does it say?
Does it say anything about irrigating or
Okay, yeah, clearly confused. Now I understand.
Cultivating, no?
Sure.
Does it
Now,
say about
once. 32 years, no clue. I understand now how. He's asking, does it say anything about irrigation? We'll try and read again. Surah 2,
Cultivation.
Surah 2, Ayah 223.
Brother, how do you
Your
call
wives, please listen.
Brother,
Please,
I'm
no,
not
please
married
listen.
yet.
Please listen.
Gotcha.
Your wives are a place of cultivation. What is a place of cultivation? Within bracket, for people like you, sowing of seed for you.
How do you cultivate land? Do you not
Yeah.
care for it? You give it water?
You see, now he's already waffling. What did he say earlier?
Waffling.
Excuse me, sir. What did he say earlier? He said he will only say women are like flower. And if he says that the Quran says women are irrigable land, he said he will say that he will disagree with it. What does it say?
Irrigable land. No, it says irrigable land. What does it say there?
Okay, let me give you two phrases. Irrigable. Excuse me, sir. Please stay focused. Yeah, you're
I'm very
waffling on right now. You are making others be like you. 32 years clueless. Please don't do that. Irrigable land, cultivatable land. Are they both different? In people who know in English, irrigable land, cultivatable land. Are they two different things? Same thing. Cultivatable land, irrigable land. They are both the same.
I would say you're changing
Let's
the words
move
of the
on.
Quran, brother.
Excuse me, sir. You are discrediting your own silly religion. Let's further read, please. Thank you. For you, so come to your place of cultivation, however you wish. Note carefully. Between men and women, what are Muslims supposed to do? Come into your cultivatable land however you wish. The women's wish, irrelevant. Your wish is the only thing that matters. A sex cult. Come to your place. Please help us understand, my dear friend. What's your name?
Tamim.
Tamim from Afghanistan. Please help us understand. So come to your place of cultivation however you wish and put forth
However I wish.
yourselves. Is that respecting the lady?
It's not, but I don't want to use you as an example. If I came to you, miss, I don't want to be disrespectful. If I came to you and I was going to come to you as any way I wanted, would you even give me the time of day?
Excuse me, sir. Please don't focus on a child. Stay focused here. Please. Ignore. Let's ask this again.
I get rejected.
Excuse me, sir. Please ask this again. Let's ask this again. And then try and see if you still have shame or not. Yeah? Please stay focused. Your wives are a place of cultivation.
Reading the same verse. We already read it, man.
I know. But 32 years clueless, we're trying to understand now. We're trying to make improvements right now to your life, yeah? Your wives are a place of cultivation for you. So come to your place of cultivation however you wish and put forth yourselves for yourselves. Is that respecting the lady?
I think, again, it depends how you come forth. I didn't mean to use her as
I'll
an
tell you how.
example.
I'll tell you how you come forth.
Yes, sir.
You come forth however you wish. How can you come forth? In any way you wish.
Anyway.
In any way you wish, but not according to. You don't have to worry about the lady. Any way you wish. So you ask me however you wish.
If I didn't and I approached her in any way, I feel I would try my best to be respectful, no?
You would, but
sweating
like
a little bit, brother.
Tamim,
Yes, sir.
are you focused right now?
I'm focused. I'm answering your question, aren't
Do
I?
you have a remote Bluetooth going into your ears, blocking
Not at all,
hearing?
not at all.
Good, good. That's lovely. That's so you're hearing me right now.
100%.
So I'm not interested in what you think about your feelings.
You're asking me
Excuse me,
questions.
one second. I'll clarify. I completely understand. It could be a brief misunderstanding. I'll clarify right now. I am not interested in your standalone view of what you would personally do to a woman. That's not the question asked. The question asked is Quran's view, which is you come into your cultivation, land of cultivation, however you wish and put forth yourselves.
However
Is
you wish.
that
I just
respecting
told
the
you
lady?
how I wish I would come forth to a woman.
Yeah. Is that respecting a lady? You see, that's it. He has given an answer. Silence speaks much louder than words. When you are in trouble, stay silent. The gentleman knows. Tamim knows. At the least, even though he did not know the Quran, he doesn't have a clue about the Quran, he at least knows when you get into trouble, go silent, which is exactly what he is doing right now. Time to leave Islam, my dear friend. I'll give more details if you like. This book also says you can consider prepubescent girls as appropriate sexual objects.
Gotcha.
Would you agree with that?
I would not agree with that.
Good. Surah 65, Ayah 4 says you can take prepubescent girls.
Could you show me that, please?
So you haven't read that either?
65:4.
Okay, let's
It
read.
seems you have, so could you please?
Yeah, 3 years. 3 years, I know better. And I'm writing books. How many years you said? 32 years.
31.
31 and how many days?
2 days.
2 days and you don't know.
60.
Surah 65, Ayah 4.
65:4. I'll read it right now.
Yes, please.
And those who no longer expect menstruation among your women, if you doubt, then their period is 3 months, and also for those who have not menstruated. And for those who are pregnant, their term is until they give birth.
You see
And
the
whoever
second
fears Allah-
category there?
Yeah.
Who are the second category?
And for those who are pregnant, their term
No,
is
before that. The category before that.
And if you doubt, then their period is 3 months, and also for those who have not menstruated.
Yeah, those who have not menstruated. Prepubescent girls. Prepubescent girls. Or objects that you have sexual intercourse with and can even divorce them. What is it? What is the title of the chapter?
Al-talaq, al-divorce.
Al-talaq.
The divorce.
A divorce. You
Tell
can
us
even
about it.
divorce.
Tell us about it.
Prepubescent girls are old enough not even to have sexual intercourse, but to have sexual intercourse and to divorce them after that. Do you agree with this? Is this respecting women?
Not at all.
Not at all. So Quran is repeatedly disrespecting women. Tamim, what are you going to do? Tamim from Afghanistan, please give me. Don't kiss the nonsense. Would you kiss junk from the floor?
I kiss the ground 5 times a day, brother.
Excuse me, junk from the floor would you kiss?
I kiss the earth 5 times a day.
This book says prepubescent girls are appropriate sexual entities with which you can have sexual intercourse and even divorce. Is that respecting the girl and you want to kiss that book?
It is the way you're interpreting that is not respect.
So please show me what other way you could interpret that, please.
I think I explained it to you.
You didn't.
It says come forth to
No,
land
65
that
4.
you want to cultivate
We have moved
however
on.
you
65
want.
4. 65
4, yes, sir.
Yeah. The prepubescent girls.
Got you.
Yeah,
It
how
says
would you
nowhere
work with-
prepubescent. It says, and if you doubt, then their period is 3 months, and also for those who have not menstruated.
Yeah, who have not menstruated. Who are
Got you,
they?
got you.
Yeah. Prepubescent, yeah.
Kids, okay.
Yeah, prepubescent. So, terrible. Would you want to have sexual intercourse with prepubescent
Are
girls?
you really going to ask me that?
Well, clearly your book, you've been reading this book for too long, haven't you?
For 32 years.
Yeah, so you have read that. I'm asking you what you've read from your book.
And you're asking me, ask that question again, sir.
So, would you have sexual intercourse with prepubescent girls?
No.
And so your book, you would disagree with. Were you angry earlier? Were you angry earlier? So, the gentleman here would get terribly angry that I'm asking him what is written in the Quran is something that he would practice.
Any women who doesn't have periods.
So my dear friend,
Those who have amenorrhea. Amenorrhea.
and so the
women with
point,
amenorrhea.
all right, are
So
you,
he's lying.
Yeah, he
There's
is.
no way the word girl.
can you
is
see the,
used
can you
there.
see the scarf
He said
up his
that
head?
women who does
Can you
not
see
have
the scarf?
periods. Are there
Do you
any
know what that
grown-up
means?
women who does not have periods?
I am here. I am here.
The women with the disease called
All right.
amenorrhea.
All right.
Those women who are grown-up women
Excuse me,
but
sir.
does not have period.
Excuse me,
The word
sir.
is used period.
Excuse
of
me,
the
sir.
women. He is a liar.
I am here. I am
He
here.
will never defend
I
his
am here.
Bible,
I am here.
but the God of the Bible supply wife
I am here. I am here.
David to the neighbor.
I am here. I am here. I am here.
That God who's a pimp of God of the Bible.
Rayman
He
isn't
he-
doing well.
He will never.
Please
defend.
turn here.
Will you answer my question?
Okay, well,
If
wait.
you have a courage enough, will you answer my question?
Don't be angry. Stay here. Don't be angry.
Tell me why.
Don't be
Tell
angry.
me why.
Don't be
Okay.
angry.
No, I'm not angry.
Stay
I'm
here.
just speaking loud.
The gentleman
Tell
came
me.
here. Oh.
Tell me
The
why God
gentleman.
of the Bible
He is talking.
supply. No, don't worry. Why
The
God
gen-
of the
excuse me,
Bible
sir.
supply wives
Did
of
this
David
gentleman
to
come
the neighbor
and
for
stop
open
us in
sex?
the middle
Why?
of a discussion?
Why he cannot defend his God?
Excuse me,
who's
sir.
a pimp? I would say pimp. The one who's supplying women to the neighbor is a pimp, isn't he? God of the Bible.
Excuse me,
Second
sir.
time- second
How
time,
many of
chapter
you
12,
saw
verse
this man
11.
come in
God
and
says, I
interrupt
will
in
give
our
your wife to your
conversation?
neighbor. Can you answer my question?
I can,
All right,
if
go
we
on then.
finish the
Go on.
previous point.
Yes.
The
He will
previous
never-
point.
That is the trick of the Christians.
Don't.
Their point is
excuse me.
never over.
Are you going to
One
face me?
after the one
I am
after
here.
the
I am
other.
here. Don't push.
That's
Don't.
why
push.
we
Don't.
Muslims.
No, you Muslims are terrible. You Muslims are terrible. Okay, please,
No,
please.
don't tell me where to stand. Don't tell me where to stand.
Your bag has been
I'm
pushing me.
very
Your bag
Okay,
has been
well,
pushing me.
I'm here now.
Your bag has been
We
pushing
will
me.
never
Now,
fall
all right.
to the tricks.
Surah
of
65,
These
Ayah
even
4.
professed Christians, they could never defend their Bible, but they have asked questions.
All right,
Questions.
dear friends.
Questions. What?
Six.
What?
Wow.
He's a
Wait.
liar.
Wait.
He's a liar. You don't even know that. Are you a Christian? Are you a Christian? Are you a Christian? Are you a Christian? Are you brave enough to answer me? Why God give wives of David to the neighbor?
Excuse
Why?
me.
Okay, so don't interfere then.
Please,
If you don't have knowledge, don't interfere then.
Please.
We Muslims can defend all
Please.
the time. We following the truth. We defend
Can
all
you
the time.
see? Can you see?
For your
Excuse me,
sake,
sir.
For your sake, I'll give him 5 minutes and I want 5 minutes. If you agree on that, we'll talk about it.
No.
I'll give you 5
Stay
minutes.
focused
Not
right
5
now.
hours.
You
His
came-
question never
you
finished.
came-
Question after question after question, so he cannot answer. I will give you 5 minutes first, and then you give me 5 minutes.
You have, for your information, clearly you are confused.
Oh, yeah.
So let me tell you, you have
Are you talking to the
interrupted.
mirror?
I am
Is the
talking
mirror
to
in
you.
front of you?
Yeah, are you a mirror? Are you a mirror?
You are the confused.
Are you a mirror?
Are you
I
agreeing?
am facing you.
Are you agreeing with me?
Are you-
5 minutes, 5 minutes.
Okay.
Are you agreeing?
Okay.
Is it fair?
2 minutes each. 2 minutes each.
No, one topic.
2
One topic.
minutes
You see what
each.
he's doing?
Who
Same
respects
topic, 2 minutes to it.
women?
No.
Who respects women?
No.
The Bible?
Why? No.
Or
That is not. You see how he's changing it?
Christianity or Islam?
I say
Who
I
respects
will give
women?
him.
2 minutes
I will
each.
give him 5 minutes.
Hello, my
and
dear
then he give me 5
Joker.
minutes for the question.
Are you willing
No,
to face
I'm
a
not
debate?
I'm not agreeing with you.
5 minutes, I'll get
I'm not agreeing
bored
with
to
you.
death with you.
No.
2
I'm not
minutes
saying 5
each.
minutes each. I'm not saying 5 minutes each. I say I'll give you 5 minutes to ask me anything about Islam. Then you give me 5 minutes to ask you anything.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying.
If you care.
So you have any questions?
Excuse me, my dear.
I'll give you 5 minutes.
Look, I haven't got. Excuse me. 2 minutes each. 2 minutes each. Who respects
What are you trying to
women?
do? What are you trying to do?
Christianity or Islam? Would you like to debate? Would you like to debate?
Yes.
Good.
Of course.
2 minutes each.
No.
Can we have someone time for us, please? Anyone who can time for us? Someone who can time. Thank you.
Hang on.
Ready?
No.
Would you like to go first or should I go first?
No, one second. He was asking a question about.
No. You are. Don't worry. We have moved on.
That's why I came here. Because my Muslim brother had no clue. He doesn't know.
Sure.
So I can understand that.
We can wrap that up and start the debate if you like.
I will address his question. So do I. Never seen a Christian. Those who call Holy Spirit, they are clueless.
Are you
So that can't be
clueless?
Holy
I am
Spirit.
here right now. Do
Why
your.
the young gentleman?
Don't
is
be
trying to
angry.
interfere?
Don't be
What's wrong with
angry.
him?
Excuse me.
Hey, look,
Wow.
listen.
Excuse me. Don't
Listen
touch.
to
Wow.
him. Listen to him. He's telling you to shut up. He's telling you to shut up. Just shut up then.
Excuse me.
Let
My
him
dear.
talk.
Is that loose enough? This one, is that loose enough? You seem to be
This-
waffling on.
this child-
Stay focused right now.
this
Stay
childish-
focused right now.
this
2 minutes
childish-
each.
this childish thing
2
doesn't
minutes
work
each.
with
No,
me.
stay
This
focused.
insulting
Stay
childish
focused.
thing
Stay
doesn't work with
focused.
me. No.
Stay focused.
He's not on my
2
level.
minutes
He's
each.
so low life.
No, stay. Don't push me. Don't come in. No, look. See what you're doing. See what you're doing. See what you're doing.
I don't know why.
See
you
what
are
you're doing.
addressing
See
it.
what you're doing.
I want to answer your
2 minutes
question,
each.
And I want you to
2
answer my
minutes
question.
each.
Simple as
Good.
that.
We are ready.
No. no, hang on, mate. What are you
And I want you both to answer.
2 minutes. No, no, hey, Abbas.
I will not.
Excuse me,
let
Abbas.
these
Abbas.
people force upon
Abbas.
myself.
I don't know if
I'm
you
gonna
know.
give you
Excuse
5
me.
minutes.
Abbas. I don't know
I'm
if you
here
know.
for 10
Excuse me.
minutes.
Once.
I'm here for 10 minutes.
I don't know
5
if you
minutes,
know. You
5
have been
minutes
coming
you,
into
5 minutes
me.
me.
Sure. But if you can
You
stay
agree
there,
with me or no?
no, 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 stay there.
Okay.
Don't come into me. Your bag is repeatedly hitting me.
Is it all right?
Good, thank you.
I didn't mean that.
2 minutes.
No, no, no.
2 minutes
No,
each.
no, no. I
Are you
will not
afraid
let
already?
you even possess.
How many
Force his
of you
opinion on me.
would like to
5
find
minutes,
out
5 minutes and 10 minutes.
how many would like to know who respects
5 minutes,
women?
5 minutes.
The Bible,
5 minutes,
Christianity, or Islam?
No, no, no.
How many would like to
I'm
know
going to
who
address-
respects women? How many would like to know?
I'm going to
Please put
address
your
that
hands up. Good. We have many people. Audience have decided.
Debate.
Abbas is coming near me again. With your please
What's
stay.
the problem, man?
Please give me space. Within 2
I'm
minutes,
not
you're.
gay. I'm not gay or anything. Yeah.
I
Why
know,
you
that's
afraid?
exactly
You're
why I want
afraid
you to
of
give
me.
me my
This
space.
man is more closer to you.
Thank you.
This
If
man
you-
is more closer
no,
to
no,
you.
he's not encroaching.
Stop trying to
Listen to me.
Stop trying
Please
to take
listen
high
to me.
moral ground.
Please
But
listen
you
to me.
can't.
Please
Don't even
stay
try
there.
that.
2 minutes each. The time. Would you like to go first?
It's a fake.
Should I go
It's a
first?
fake one. It's only
Please
for
remove. It's
20
not doing you good. Please remove.
No,
2
no,
minutes each.
I'm not doing it.
Good. Thank
Don't force your
you.
opinion on
2
me.
minutes
No, no,
each.
I'm not agreeing on that.
Terrified
I'm not
already.
agreeing on that. No, I'm not. I'm
Terrified.
not. I am saying his question I will answer in 5
Enough,
minutes.
enough rambling,
My
please.
question you answer
Stay
in 5
focused,
minutes.
stay
Yes,
focused.
that's it.
2
Are you agreeing? Are you
minutes.
agreeing or not?
Excuse me, sir.
Last chance.
You see?
5
What did
minutes
I tell
you,
him?
5 minutes me.
What did I tell him?
You're
Look,
going to
look,
ask me,
look.
What's your problem, man?
Don't touch me.
My bag
Give me
is
my
there.
space,
My
please.
bag is there.
Your hand, if you extend your hand from there,
You're not
can
my
you
man.
imagine
You're
where
not
it would
my
go? Please stay here.
Last chance.
2 minutes each.
5 minutes.
Look at him run away.
5 minutes. I'm
Look
going to give it.
at
Ask any
Abbas.
question. You can say whatever you like.
One of the least popular jokers at Speaker's Corner. Look at him run away right now.
Last chance. Last chance. I'm
2
not
minutes
here.
each. We
I'm
start
the one
right
who
now.
actually came here.
Who wants to go
I'm the
first?
one
You
who
or
actually
me?
Came here.
Can I
But
go
he's
first?
so
Or would
afraid.
you like to go first?
What he wants to do is.
Would you like to go first?
No.
Should I go
5
first?
minutes you.
2 minutes
No, no.
each. Please go ahead.
Last chance. 5 minutes. You going to ask anything about Islam?
You
5
Rabbi,
minutes.
you
Me.
Rabbi.
Brother, calm down. Brother, calm down. Brother, calm down.
Stay away.
I'm talking.
Stay away.
I'm talking.
Stay away.
I'm talking.
Stay away.
no
You
reason.
spat on my
There's no
face.
reason.
Stay away.
Yeah, bro.
You can stay away. Stay away. Stay away. Stay away. Your mafia gang, go tell them. Go. Stay away. Stay away. Stay away. Thank you. Excuse me. Stay away. Stay away. Thank you. Don't talk to your Islamic mafia gang friends for too long.
Or
You
can
will end
talk
up
to
in
your
trouble
Christian
rather
mafia
soon.
If that's what you like.
Rather
That's
soon.
all right.
Excuse me, sir. No
Yeah,
Christian
2 minutes,
does this.
No.
2 minutes each. Good. Thank you.
I came here.
Starting time. Good.
And he's going to ask me anything for 5 minutes about Islam and I'll answer inshallah.
Now, can you see
And I'm
how the
ask-
man
I'm
has
gonna-
cooled down?
I'm gonna ask
Now he
him-
is terrified. He knows the 2 minutes each debate is going to leave him.
Are you okay? Are you on your medication?
I'm finally fine. Your medication I didn't take.
Last
I
chance.
didn't take your
Last
medication.
chance.
Safe
Last
for
chance.
2 minutes each. Time is starting. Okay, that's fine. I can start. Excuse me, sir.
Okay, be happy. Call me scared. I'm scared.
Yeah, of course. You see, running away.
Oh, he's running.
All right, dear friends. Did you see what happened, my dear Muslim friends? Any Muslim friend who is able to take 5 steps forward and come here and engage with me on this topic. Does Islam respect women intrinsically equal to men? The answer is no, but if you think you can defend and still claim yes, please step forward. Don't look around here and there now. So far you were watching me carefully, now you're looking everywhere else. You don't want to make eye contact. You, sir, would you like to come here? What's that? No. You back. Please come here. You're good. I know you're good. You're good from a distance. Tamim, you did not answer. You disagreed with the Quran. Yet you had the audacity to go and kiss a book which says prepubescent girls you can divorce. That gentleman over there, he was ashamed to agree with me on camera to the same point that has been made in the Quran. When I asked him what is instructed in the Quran to him as a question, as he would do. Well, exactly. Would you commit a sexual act with a girl who is prepubescent? He got terribly afraid looking at me. But the problem is, that is what the Quran tells him as something he could do. Yet, he walks around with his schizophrenia. He got upset with me, but with his Quran, he does not get upset. Why? Because he knows when he goes back to wherever he lives, his fellow mafia gang members would do terrible things to him. Terrible things to him when it comes to rejecting this book. My dear friends, what is the problem that Islam has? Almost everything about Islam is terrible. For example, number one, this book demeans, disrespects, demoralizes, removes identities of women across the world. So 50% of our population are gone already. Gone. The only thing that Muslim women can be happy about is that they are better than Jews and Christians. Because according to this book, Jews and Christians are the worst of creatures. Please come forward, my dear friend Tamim.
I don't want to be asked any dumb questions.
Okay, yeah. How do you treat women? Listen to him carefully. Tamim from Afghanistan, who failed to answer or who actually disagreed with his Quran multiple times, listen to what he says. He says he does not want to be asked any dumb question. So asking if women get the same value as men is a dumb question to an Islamic gentleman. To an extent, he marches away.